Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Maricel Manzano, 32 years old. I am married, blessed 2 kids, 10 years old boy and 5 years old girl. I am high school graduate. I live in Betty Arita, Nueva Vizcaya, Philippines. My experience, I work as a domestic helper in Kuwait for 2 years and 2 months. My main duties are cleaning the house, washing dishes, washing the clothes, and ironing, and washing car, sometimes cooking, and every morning I prepare the breakfast, the 2 children, and I prepare lunch box for them for school. My second employer, I work as a domestic helper in Dubai for 2 years and 2 months. My main duties are washing car, washing clothes, and dishes. I'm ironing. Every morning, I clean 3 rooms. And every Saturday, I cleaned all bathrooms. To my future employer, please hire me as your worker. I promise to do my best and I will treat your family as my own family. Thank you and I hope to see you soon in Hong Kong.